Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can uninstall an app on iPhone. So for that, go and pick a app that you want to uninstall. So I'm going to tap and press this app for the remove option, and then tap remove app and then tap delete. So this is how you can uninstall your app. And here is another way that you can uninstall app. First, go to settings. From here you have to go to your general. So from here go to general and then tap iPhone storage. From here pick an app that you want to uninstall. So tap on that, and from here tap offload app. If you want to uninstall your app, you just have to tap offload app and your app will be uninstalled. So if you want to reinstall it, you just have to simply press that reinstall app button. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.